Hi, I'm Cam with Streamlight. Today, we're going to talk about how to install the TLR-3 X. The TLR-3 X features reversible jaws and a variety of keys to get the perfect fit on compact and subcompact handguns. To swap out the keys and reverse the jaws, start by removing the screw and the spring. Next, remove the jaws and the key. Put in the new key and put the jaws on in the reverse orientation. The screw will also install in the reverse orientation of what it was before. The TLR-3 X features spring-loaded jaws that open to install the light on the firearm. Press down on the screw head, rotate the light onto the rail, and then tighten it down using the included multi-tool or a coin. The TLR-3 X features narrow switches for subcompact handguns, as well as standard or wide switches for compact handguns. The TLR-3 X features multiple paddle switches to suit your preference. Press in the pin on the side that you're going to be swapping, remove the old paddle, install the new one, and then push the pin back in. The light features multi-fuel capability and can run off one Streamlight SL-B9 or a CR123. For more information on the TLR-3 X, click the link below or visit us at streamlight.com.